we will learn how to install the Tinkercad. For that, I am using this sharing my screen. Sharing my screen. This is share with this, and then you can see that I am on the screen. What I have to do it, what you have to do, in fact, for installing the Tinkercad, is that you start any browser, write tinkercad.com, cad.com, and enter. Once you enter, you will reach a screen in which there are two options. One is login and another is sign up. What you have to do is you have to sign up first. And once you want sign up, there are many options. Whether you are an educator, whether you are a student, whether you want to create a personal account, and then or you have already some account. No, I will create a personal account. And from that created personal account, you sign in with the Google. Sign up with email. Sign up with your email, and then you have to create the account. If you don't have the email, uh, any mail account, then you have to tell what country you are living in. Okay? So you choose India. Choose India. Then you have to tell the date of the birth. Date of the birth. Say I am choosing 1st January. January, day one, day one, and year 1990. Since most of the students 1900, anything 90, then you have to go next. Next, you have to create a account, email, create an account by giving some email. And that email I am giving Sahjwani at Hari Sahjwani, harisahjwani.com. Password I will be creating is Sahjwani. I agree to Autodesk. Create an account. Account created and done. This is a new account which I have created, although because I wanted to tell you how to do the thing. Then next time when you give this email account, you will be coming to the Tinkercad screen, from where you can create either the 3D design or circuits or anything else. So I have already explained to you how the circuit designing is done.